Hi everyone. Spotify Wrapped is back. Providing a playlist of your own personal greatest hits of the previous 12 months, Wrapped has fun features and provides interesting insights into your listening habits. As long as you listen to Spotify throughout the year, whether it's on your Android phone or smart speaker, Wrapped becomes available near the end of each year. If you're new to Wrapped, or just a little disoriented by its ever-changing implementation, you're in the right place. Here's everything you need to know about Spotify Wrapped 2023. What is Spotify Wrapped? Spotify Wrapped is a sort of year-in review of your listening inside the app, first implemented in 2016. Wrapped generally becomes available near the beginning of December, and various Wrapped features are accessible in the app until the end of the year. Throughout the year leading up to Wrapped, Spotify tracks your listening habits by genre, artist, album, and song. Wrapped illustrates your listening habits in a fun, colorful, story-style format that can be easily shared. We all enjoy a good year-end call-out, but the stats don't end there. You can also check how many artists you listened to and which artists you listened to most, complete with percentile rankings to let you know how your listening compares. In addition to an interactive slideshow about your listening habits, Wrapped includes some other goodies, including a personalized playlist of your 100 most played songs of the year. New for 2023, Spotify's AI-powered DJ feature can walk you through some of the highlights in a way that mimics a linear radio broadcast format, though the DJ character, X, will pepper in commentary that refers to you and your specific listening habits. How to find Spotify Wrapped in the Spotify app. Open the Spotify app on your phone or tablet. In the strip of buttons at the top, scroll to the right and tap the rainbow-colored Wrapped button. To start your Wrapped story, tap either of the two your Wrapped options. The story will start. You can tap on the right side of the screen to advance through the slides, tap on the left side to go back, or tap and hold to pause. How to find Spotify Wrapped on your mobile browser. If you can't find Spotify Wrapped from the app homepage or app search, you can manually locate and access it from your mobile browser. Open your browser. Type "this" takes you to the Spotify Wrapped page. Tap Login. Log in using the same information you used to sign into the mobile app. Your Wrapped slideshow will play in your browser. Once the slideshow ends, you'll see options to share your 2023 Wrapped, start it over from the beginning, or open your personalized Your Top Songs playlist in the Spotify app. At long last, you've found Wrapped. Now you can peruse the features and statistics at your leisure, alongside a comparison to how many people in the world are listening to the same things as you.